Good evening, Kenyans, and my names are Josephat Muthoka. I have found it good for me to talk about the happenings in Mwingi, whereby a young Kamba chap of 14 years was hacked to death by camel herders from Garissa. And as a Kamba, it has not gone well into my heart because to me, that's one of my bloodline, and I don't feel good when my community is attacked and we just go silent when our people are getting attacked by people from other communities. For me, I want to condemn that act with the most greatest terms possible, whereby I feel it bad that communities are turning against each other. Even worse is that peaceful members of Kenya tribes like Kambas who have never been into fields with people find themselves in attacks from people coming into their land and then being attacked because of their properties, whereby camel herders are coming there and going into our fields. Yet when they are told not to take their camels into our fields or farms, they take them by force and attack our people and end up killing them. I want to say that's not good, and I urge every Somali, wherever they are, to just embrace peace, because this Kenya belongs to us all. And if we decide to go against each other, I'm sure uh, no Somali will make it in Kenya. No Somali will be alive in Kenya, because for the fact is that Somalis are all over Kenya, and if all the communities turn against them, they will be in the losing end, and by the end of the time, they are the most affected economically because their lands are not, I can say, Somali lands are not productive. There are no water there, there's nothing at all, just nothing, and it's pure poverty. But that was not the issue. My issue is we have to live in harmony, and people should de escalate attacking other communities. Somali should respect the sovereign boundaries of every county, because you don't have to get from your counties and come to other counties to attack the people who live there. To me, I'm against that, and didn't like what happened, even though Kambas retaliated by also stealing or vandalizing Somali businesses. That is not the way to go. We have to live in peace and make sure we can call each other others neighbors and help each other at times of need. Thank you, and God bless Kenya. God bless you all.